To open a champagne bottle, start by taking off the foil that covers the cork. Then loosen the metal cage that holds the cork in the bottle by folding out the tab and twisting it counterclockwise. Remove the cage and discard it. Then cover the cork with a dish towel. Pick up the bottle, making sure the cork is pointed in a safe direction away from other people or breakables. Hold the cork, covered by the towel, with one hand and the base of the bottle in the other. Gently twist the bottle, not the cork, back and forth while holding the cork firmly. Do not twist or pull the cork, which can cause it to break off. As you twist the bottle, you should feel the cork start to slide out of the bottle. Keep twisting the bottle gently until the cork makes a small pop and comes out of the bottle, making sure your hand is covering the cork at all times. Your champagne will stay more bubbly and be less likely to overflow if you go slowly. Wait a few moments for the champagne to settle, then pour a small amount into each person's glass. Once the fizz from the initial pour has gone down, continue pouring into each glass until everyone has been served. For a more dramatic celebratory experience, you can send the cork flying by pushing it away from the bottle with your thumbs once it is nearly out of the bottle. If you do this, make sure you're outside and pointing the bottle a safe direction, and expect champagne to foam out of the top of the bottle after the cork flies away.